Say hello, Double Doodles. Hello. I am here with Ethel and Beans, F1B, Petite Double Doodles. And this is their final video. They are going home this weekend. Yes. And look at some of these dark reds. Come here, buddy. I have, at the time of this recording, I have 2 available. Dark green collar boy with a little white on his chest. Super dark. And although he's more curly, he's a soft cotton curl. And then our red collar boy, who is the big baby of the litter. Hi, buddy. Little bit of white on the chest. He is also available. Hey, buddy. Our little tyke here, little black. Come here. Say hi. Say hi. He's already chosen. And then Pinky. Oh, goodness. I got to get my hands on you. Hi. I'm losing it. We are very squirmy today. Very squirmy. Look at him go. Yes. I was in here earlier doing the younger litters and ignored these 2 litters that are going home on Friday and Saturday. And oh my goodness, so now I'm making up for it. Because we are running around going crazy right now. Yes. Hi. But basically we are crate training. Everybody's doing really good in their crates. I'm very happy about their crate training. Finishing up on all their dewormings, and they're going to be ready to go home. So everybody should have received their reading material on this litter, and you will be getting an email on puppy pickup information, as well as your invoice. I believe purchase contracts have already been emailed. I have to double check. I just can't even remember what I've sent out and what I haven't yet. But anywho, yes. Are you a bunny? Are you one of our bunny breeds? Yes. Oops. Greenie gotcha. Hi. Oh, I'm right here. He's enjoying playing with this rug that I have sitting here that's kind of falling apart. And like Red's doing the doodle do. Yep, that's what we do. All right, I'm going to let you guys watch them for a minute. And we will see you guys on Friday or Saturday. Say bye-bye.